Hey, welcome back. I am so glad that you took time out of your day to come and pay a visit with us. People ask me all the time, oh, by the way, I am Len. We are Adamson Roofing Company. People ask me all the time, Len, how should I select a roofing company? Right? Well, I say there's really two main criteria that you should consider. One is, are they a highly rated company just on the internet? Are they a 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 5-star roofing company? That is important. There's a lot of companies that are not rated fairly by customers in a lot of cases. But if you sit down and you read through the comments, that's one place to start. The second thing I would consider are they certified through the manufacturer? Because that makes a big difference in the warranties that they can offer you, right? On product and labor. So those would be the things I would talk about. But in any event, my name is Len. We are Adamson Roofing Company. Thanks for watching. Again, call us at 678-424-1919 or visit us online at adamsonroofingcompany.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.